Hello, welcome back to another Unboxing the Bata Shoe Museum video. Today I have Nicholas Williams. Nick, thank you so much. I know that you're connected to Kickback.
Yeah.
How did you get involved?
Jamal actually reached out to me.
Oh, that's awesome.
Asked me to come by.
We are going to actually unbox one of the rarest things in our collection. And in fact, it is so fragile that neither you nor I can touch it. Okay? So we actually don't need the gloves today because we can't touch it. Unbox, unbox.
Wow.
This is actually one of the rarest sneakers around.
It's like a video game type thing.
Well, I'm actually wearing a Fitbit, right?
Yeah.
And what does this do?
Tells you like time, heart rate, stuff like that.
Exactly. And so we now have this wearable technology, but it actually started at the footwear level. Basically a microchip in a sneaker, and that it would record how fast you ran. So this shoe was invented, or actually was released in 1986. How do you think you got that information?
No
This
idea.
is before Wi-Fi and... Okay, well, let's look at this shoe.
Yeah.
Okay, we can't touch it, right? You can see how it's starting to disintegrate.
Yeah.
What you did was plugged it in. And the recommended computer was a Commodore 64. I bet you never even heard of that.
Never heard of it.
Yeah. And so what you did was you connected this end to your computer, and then it would tell you how far you ran.
Wow.
But this is literally the first step, right?
Yeah.
Towards trying to help us figure out how far we've run, how far we've walked. They came with a floppy disk. Do you know what that?
Yeah.
Okay. They came with a floppy disk of information for how to use them. So I really wanted to be able to show somebody who appreciated sneakers this really, really rare piece. Because you have your own company, right?
Yeah.
And so what are you doing?
Aristokicks. So we clean, design, and repair sneakers.
So if I handed these over to you, what would you do?
Oh my. I wouldn't even touch them. Too rare.
Okay, so if anybody would like information about Kickback, about your company, that will be in our description. And thank you so much for looking at actually one of the rarest sneakers around, and definitely one of the rarest objects in our collection.
Thank you.